In this lesson, we will use a reference triangle on the coordinate plane to determine the 6 trigonometric function values for theta equals 5 pi divided by 4 radians. We begin by sketching the angle in standard position. The initial side is along the positive x-axis. Because the angle is positive, we rotate counterclockwise 5 pi divided by 4 radians, or 5/4 pi radians. Half a rotation counterclockwise would be 4/4 pi radians. We need to rotate another pi divided by 4, 1/4 pi radians, for 5/4 pi radians, which should be here. This is the terminal side for 5 pi divided by 4 radians. Next, we label the reference angle, which is the acute angle formed by the terminal side and the x-axis, which we should recognize is 1/4 pi radians, or pi divided by 4 radians, this acute angle here. Next, we sketch the reference triangle by sketching a vertical segment from the terminal side of the angle to the x-axis, let's say here. This is the reference triangle. And because pi divided by 4 equals 45 degrees, we have a 45, 45, 90 reference triangle. Because we are in the third quadrant where both x and y are negative, we can label the horizontal leg -1, the vertical leg -1, and the hypotenuse square root 2. And now we can use this reference triangle to determine the 6 trigonometric function values. Cosine 5 pi divided by 4 equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, which is -1 divided by square root 2. We will rationalize the denominator in just a moment. Sine 5 pi divided by 4 equals the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse, which is also -1 divided by square root 2. And now let's go ahead and rationalize the denominator. To do this, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the square root of 2. Multiplying, we have negative square root 2 divided by 2. These are the sine and cosine function values we would find on the unit circle. Tangent 5 pi divided by 4 equals the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side, which is -1 divided by -1, which is equal to +1. The secant function value equals the reciprocal of the cosine function value. The reciprocal of -1 divided by square root 2 is square root 2 divided by -1, which is negative square root 2. Or using the reference triangle, secant 5 pi divided by 4 equals the ratio of the hypotenuse to the adjacent side, which gives the same result of square root 2 divided by -1, which is negative square root 2. Cosecant theta equals the reciprocal of sine theta, which is square root 2 divided by -1, or negative square root 2. Or using the reference triangle, cosecant 5 pi divided by 4 equals the ratio of the hypotenuse to the opposite side, which still gives us negative square root 2. And then finally, the cotangent function value equals the reciprocal of the tangent function value. The reciprocal of -1 divided by -1 is still -1 divided by -1, which is +1. Or using the reference triangle, cotangent 5 pi divided by 4 equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the opposite side, giving us -1 divided by -1, which equals 1. I hope you found this helpful.